If you're seeing a Steam payment error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get back to buying games without wasting time. We'll cover the simple checks first, then move into the solutions that often solve the issue when Steam keeps declining a payment. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. The first thing you want to do is check for any pending transactions on your account. Open Steam and go to Account Details, then select View Purchase History. Look carefully for any purchases that are still pending, because Steam can sometimes block new payments until an old transaction finishes or gets resolved. If you see a pending purchase that you no longer need, cancel it if the option is available. This is a very common reason payment errors happen, especially if you tried buying something more than once. Next, check whether you have a VPN, proxy, or any other IP masking tool turned on. Steam often flags payments when your connection location looks different from your billing information, so if you're using a VPN, disable it completely and try again on your normal internet connection. The same goes for proxies or browser privacy tools that change your IP address. A clean, regular connection can make a big difference when Steam is deciding whether to approve the transaction. Now take a close look at your billing information. This is one of the most important steps because even a small mismatch can cause the payment to fail. Make sure your card billing address is exactly correct, including street name, apartment number, postal code, and country. Also, double-check the CVV code and confirm that the card details match what your bank has on file. If you recently moved or changed banks, update that information before trying again. Steam is very strict when it comes to billing verification, so accuracy matters here. If the payment still fails, do not keep spamming the purchase button over and over. That can trigger extra security holds and make the problem worse. Instead, wait at least an hour before trying again. In some cases, waiting a little longer can help Steam or your bank clear the transaction flag. Repeated failed attempts can make the system think something suspicious is happening, so patience is actually part of the fix. Another helpful trick is to use the Steam store in a web browser instead of the Steam client app. Sometimes the desktop app has a temporary issue, but the browser checkout works just fine. Open your preferred browser, go to the Steam store, sign in, and try the purchase there. This simple switch can bypass client-side glitches and give you a cleaner checkout experience. If you were trying to pay inside the app and it kept failing, this is definitely worth testing. If your payment still isn't going through, try using Steam Wallet instead. You can add funds to your Steam Wallet using a different payment method, or you can buy a Steam gift card from a retailer and redeem it on your account. This can be especially useful if your card keeps getting declined directly on Steam. Once the wallet balance is added, you may be able to complete the purchase without the same card verification problem. At this point, it's also a good idea to contact your bank. Some banks automatically block transactions that they think look unusual, and Steam purchases may show up as Valve software on your statement or payment request. Ask your bank whether they're blocking payments to Valve software, and if so, request that they allow it. Sometimes the bank just needs to confirm that the transaction is legitimate before it will go through. If none of those fixes work, the last step is to contact Steam support directly. When you reach out, include the exact error message you're seeing and explain what you've already tried. That helps Steam support narrow down whether the issue is with your account, your payment method, or a temporary restriction on the transaction. The more specific you are, the faster they can help you solve it. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix a Steam payment error quickly and safely. Start with the pending transactions, check your VPN, verify your billing details, and then move through the browser, wallet, bank, and support steps if needed. If this video helped, please hit like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and I'll see you in the next one.